everyone, this is Julia from CakeJuliaCake, and I am here at the McCall's kitchen today to show you how to make an easy Christmas Lambeth cake. And the products and ingredients I'll be using will be listed down below in the description. Please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this, and let's get to it. So the products you will need for this cake is pre-made royal icing decorations that you can get at McCall's, or you can have your already pre-made buttercream decoration ready, star tips and a petal tip, McCall buttercream, and also some cocoa powder if you want to make it more chocolatey. This one's optional. 2 piping bags, a bench scraper, and an offset spatula. So let's get to it. So here I have about a cup of buttercream, and I will be adding about half a tablespoon of cocoa powder. You can add how much ever you like. This is just optional. Okay, so now you have light chocolate buttercream. Now we're going to cover the cake. So now that the cake is covered, I'll show you the next steps. Now that we've finished covering the cake, we can start doing the Lambeth work. So here I have a piping bag that's filled with buttercream. I just cut the piping bag a little bit bigger than normal because we will be switching out the piping tips as we go. So right now in this piping bag, I have the tip number 32, which is a star tip. So now we're going to be making just shell borders at the bottom. Okay, and that's it. And then now we will be switching the piping tip. So now you take out the buttercream bag, and we'll be switching to the petal tip number 104. Okay, and now we'll take the Christmas royal icing decoration and put it on the cake. Today I'll be using the Christmas trees. And what you want to do is just put it right in the middle. And now we have the finished product of our Christmas Lambeth cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This cake is perfect for your Christmas dinners. You don't have to make it exactly the same, which is the fun of it. The products and the ingredients will be listed down below in the description bar. Please give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel, as we will be uploading more videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.